So that way we can use the pallets for the roof.
Yeah, which makes more sense because it's recycling all the materials we have.
Yeah. Like I'm trying not to buy anything.
Yeah, keep the cost down.
Keep the cost down, and we got the salvage wood here. I don't know if we have enough to. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 rafters, plus a ridge beam.
For a peaked roof.
Yeah. A peaked roof would look nicer. Build a ridge beam up and across. Need to put a beam like that, a couple beams like that.
Now, would you have to sister those up or what?
Yeah, we'd have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the header. And then about mid-span, we're going to have to do something across here.
So similar to the pallet cabin.
Yeah, similar to the pallet cabin, similar to Philip's shed. We'll get all this framed in and get the doorway framed in, and we'll see what we got left for materials.
You think it shifted overnight or something?
No, I just want to make sure when we start, we're starting pretty good. And then just want to rough measure this opening. See if it's the same top and bottom.
Right. What do you got?
Around 50. Around 50. That's pretty good, actually.
Yeah, and once you put the casing in and stuff, it'll reduce it a little, but still, that's a good sized door.
Oh yeah, 40. If you get a 48-inch door, that's perfect. That'll be big enough to do what we want.
Good.
Thank you. I think what we'll have to do is go like that. And I think that'll work if we split this in half. And we'll put short pieces on either side. That'll be strong. Because we're still going to build another lamination up on top here. I have to figure out how high I want to go to the
Yeah, for the roof.
front roof.
Mm. What do you got?
15.
So it's even all the way around, so we didn't change anything.
Pretty good there. pretty good. Is there any other short pieces there?
Oh yeah, just a second. Don't worry about it. There's probably a dozen on the ground already.
Yeah.
Just run the magnet later.
Use on the other side.
Well, you might be reusable. It wasn't an Ardox, was it?
Buy some more screws.
I was just thinking that. I mean, geez, you've gone through what you had. What did you have there? A pound? 2 pounds?
4 pounds.
4 pounds. Holy crap. It's pretty rigid.
It's pretty rigid considering, you know, we don't have the door framed in, we don't have the roof framed in. Once you get the roof framed in, it gets really strong. It's a pretty, like if you had, right now, if you just had 2x4s in here and you were shaking it, it would flop all over the place.
Mm. So you think using pallets makes it stronger than just using regular 2x4s?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, cool. That's a good thing.
I mean, it's as strong or stronger, you know.
Yeah. Well, we do get some powerful winds here. 90k easy.
Yeah. But what we'll do is once we're done, we'll drill holes at an angle. We'll get 2 foot of rebar, and we'll pin each corner down into the soil. And then it won't go anywhere.
Do you want the clamp?
Yeah, I mean, right there. Maybe inches is pretty good.
80?
Don't move it around. You're moving it. Move it back that way. More. Yeah, right there.
It's got to be level, yeah.
Level with that.
Is she?
That's perfectly level right there.
Oh, there you go then.
Pretty square.
Well, that's good.
Well, you can't beat that for square. Phew.
And?
It's hard to get better than that.
Well, that's good.
It's 47 1/8. 47. So 1/8 is the distance across the top. So if I spread the bottom to 47 1/8 and it's still plumb, then my door opening is right. Pretty close.
Is it?
Pretty close, but mostly there.
Well, we have many small pieces, so.
We'll get it in first, and then I'll just tuck it underneath. So, perfect. Perfect.